Now there's no need to worry about the cashless network of your health insurance company. Now you can go anywhere and claim cashless anywhere in the country. That's actually one of the more, I would say, revolutionary phenomena that's going to happen in the health insurance industry as we go forward. So one of the reasons why some consumers used to find health insurance cumbersome is because roughly on an average about 40% of all claims were reimbursement claims. That means that they were not paid cashless to the hospital and customer had to shell out some money and then take it as a claim from the insurance company later on. Now that can become very cumbersome for consumers because one, you have to shell out a lot of money from your pocket and it's a time of duress anyways. Why does this happen is because a lot of times, because of some emergency, because of a preference, or because of some other reason, you had to go to a hospital which is not a part of the network hospitals of the insurance company. Now, while this may not be a very, very common phenomenon in large cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, but the moment you go outside these, this is a common phenomenon, and that's why the cashless claims were not available, to customers all the time. However, now, under the guidance of the esteemed regulator, we are now seeing companies slowly launching a benefit called Cashless Anywhere. This essentially means that a consumer can go to any hospital in the country and the cashless treatment will be available to that consumer there as well. So as we speak, there are 3 companies which offer Cashless Anywhere functionality. The only thing that the consumer has to take care of is to ensure that if it's a planned treatment, one must inform prior to hospitalization, which should not be a big deal because if it's a planned treatment like a knee replacement or a hernia or a cataract kind of a treatment, then it's quite easy to inform prior to going to the hospital. In case of an emergency hospitalization, like somebody had an accident or a sudden heart attack, that can be done up to 24 hours after hospitalization as well. But one must inform the insurance company that they are planning a hospitalization at this specific hospital, and rest of it will be managed by the insurance company itself. The insurance company will work with the hospital to ensure that the claim is settled in a cashless manner. So for the consumer, this means that there's a lot more freedom now to go to any hospital of their choice, anywhere in the country, and you don't have to worry about it being in the cashless network of the insurance company or not. The only important thing that I'll mention here is that almost every company today has a blacklisted hospital list as well. Please do make sure that you refer to that list and don't go to that hospital. Apparently, it's a fairly small list, it's not a big list, but if you exclude that, everywhere else in the country becomes cashless for any consumer. So make sure that you do inform the insurance company in advance. If it's, as I said, if it's emergencies and 24 hours after hospitalization, if it is planned treatment, then before the hospitalization, and the insurance company will take care of the rest. It will make the claims experience very, very seamless as we go forward.